Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest tech innovations to bring you the most comprehensive reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there. Introducing the UMIDIGI C1 Max Android 12 smartphone, touted as the best gaming phone benchmark available in the market. Let's dive in and see what sets this device apart. Now, what makes the UMIDIGI C1 Max stand out as a gaming powerhouse? Let's start with its hardware. Powered by the Unisoc T610 processor, this smartphone boasts an Antutu benchmark score of over 220,534, ensuring smooth performance even during the most demanding gaming sessions. But it's not just about what's under the hood. The UMIDIGI C1 Max features a stunning 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1650 x 720 pixels, offering a crisp and immersive visual experience for all your gaming adventures. And let's not forget about the camera setup. With a 50 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels front camera, and 2 megapixels depth camera, the UMIDIGI C1 Max ensures that you can capture every gaming moment with stunning clarity. Now, let's talk gaming performance. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or your favorite mobile games, the UMIDIGI C1 Max delivers smooth gameplay and responsive controls thanks to its powerful processor and optimized software. Worried about running out of juice in the middle of a gaming marathon? Fear not, because the UMIDIGI C1 Max is equipped with a high-capacity 5150 mAh battery, ensuring hours of uninterrupted gaming. Plus, with dual SIM support and global bands compatibility, you can stay connected no matter where your gaming adventures take you. In summary, the UMIDIGI C1 Max Android 12 smartphone is not just a phone, it's a gaming powerhouse. With its powerful hardware, stunning display, impressive camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life, it's the perfect companion for gamers on the go. So if you're in the market for the ultimate gaming phone benchmark, look no further than the UMIDIGI C1 Max. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy gaming!